It is day 28 of the government shutdown, and we are seeing more impacts every day. From food to early childhood education, Omaha families are feeling it. Thank you for joining us. I'm Bill Shamers.
I'm Julie Cornell. The Senate failed for the 13th time to advance a GOP funding bill. Unless a deal is made by the end of the week, many services in Nebraska will go without their November funding.
That includes SNAP benefits, which will be paused starting tomorrow. KETV News Watch 7's Pete Cudahy has a breakdown of those numbers in just a second. First, the impact on Head Start programs. Those help with early childhood and family services for low-income families.
KETV News Watch 7's Beth Carlson gets the facts on how Nebraska families are at risk of losing access if a deal is not made.
Omaha Public Schools confirm they will lose funding if a government shutdown deal is not met. That's over 900 students affected, but the district says there's a backup plan in place to keep serving students.
Almost 1 month into the government shutdown, and several Nebraska families are at risk to feel the effects, including almost 1,000 in the metro.
These are comprehensive programs that provide affordable, reliable care. They allow parents to be able to work and to also make sure that their children are taken care of, that they're receiving the care that they need.
Head Start is a federal program that serves over 5,500 Nebraska youth to meet the needs of young children and families. Nebraska Head Start Association President Nikki Gamar says they receive over $68 million in funding each year combined.
All programs are expected to provide comprehensive early learning environments, health, family support services, and these are at no cost to families.
Unless a deal to end the federal shutdown is reached by the end of the week, the funding will freeze.
We only have one program that is due to receive their funding on November 1st.
In a statement, the district says, quote, Omaha Public Schools will utilize local resources for Head Start operations if the shutdown is prolonged, and we will continue to monitor federal funding to assess the potential impacts on future programming. That money will come from the contingency funds in this year's budget.
We're really urging our elected officials, Congress, to really work together to try to, make sure that we're ensuring support for Head Start.
If Congress fails to pass a bill to reopen the government, other programs, including SNAP, will end tomorrow, according to the state of Nebraska. Back to you.